Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First, let me thank everybody for all the views we've gotten so far. That's really great to see that everybody's interested in what we have to offer. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Because it's that time of year and Christmas is almost here, today we're going to be giving you an update on the Balsam Hill Christmas tree that we bought and unboxed for you about a year ago. We're going to put it together and so let you see what it looks like in our home when it's finally done. If you haven't seen the unboxing video, please be sure to check it out. I'll make sure I put a link in the description box below. Now let's get started. So you've already seen me put the tree together and light it in the previous unboxing video. So we're going to go ahead and do that, put the tree together and also shape the branches. We're going to speed it up a little bit so it's not too boring for you, and we'll come back at the end and show you the final product. Okay, here's our tree. It took my helper and I not very long to put it all together and to spread out the branches, maybe 20-25 minutes in total. I think we do have some tweaking that we need to do, but for now I think it looks pretty good. We did buy a narrow tree because, as you can see, we were sort of constrained by space. I think maybe one of the bigger trees would look very nice as well. I was worried that it would take up too much room in our space. It comes with this very handy remote, which, as you can see, we'll turn on the lights. That's clear, that's color, and you can also do color and clear. There's also a pad attached to the tree in case you lose the remote or you don't want to use the remote. And that's our tree. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Done by Dad.